Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a quick video on me upgrading my key to look a little bit nicer with a better case. So I have this pretty ugly silicone case that I've had on my Comfort Access key for a few years now. I've had the car for like 4.5 years, and I've been looking for a decent looking key upgrade for it for quite a while. This is discolored and it's got to go. I've never had to insert this in the car to start it, not even once in all these years, so I'm not too worried about this upgrade that I'm about to do. I'll show it to you here. I bought a F10 X5 a few months ago, and it just has a way nicer looking key, and I kind of wished I could make this look a little bit nicer because, to be honest, this is really high quality. It's got a hard aluminum outer casing. It just looks nice. Here's my key. Hopefully you can hear that. These are aluminum, just like the outer casing of this. Here's your little install kit. Instructions. These were originally designed for those flip out style keys, I guess, but if you have Comfort Access and you never have to insert it in your dash, then you can do this. It comes with an alcohol pad because it comes with little spacers, foam spacers, if your key is loose inside here. So we'll see if I need those. If I need them, then I'll install them, and you got extra screws with Loctite on them. So you basically just take your key fob, insert it in there, then it kind of hooks in from the front here, just like that. So we'll try it without the foam spacers to start. Just keep in mind that whenever you need a battery, or if you really need it to start the car and your Comfort Access isn't working, then you'll have to take these screws out. So I'll just keep the screwdriver in the car in the rare instance that ever happens. But it's been 4.5 years, I've never had to do it, not even once. The car will tell you if you need a battery well in advance. So in my case, it's snug. It's not moving at all. It's getting held down properly, so I don't need to use those little foam spacers. But they just give it to you just in case. It's kind of a nice touch. And extra screws in case you ever lose yours. So this little package will stay in my glove box. It'll stay in the car. If I ever have a situation where I gotta open it, I won't be stranded. Comes with this leather looking wrap here. Here's a look at it. So that's the type of color scheme I was trying to achieve, just to give it a more modern look, because I do really like the key that comes on the F15 X5 if you get the metal one. So offers protection but also looks nice. Put it on your keychain, you just push down, and that's that. So I'm sure I'll get some dislikes and some comments stating, seriously, is this video worthy? But it's funny because I've looked for some decent looking silicone cases or hard cases for this key just off and on for a few years, just randomly, because my friend would buy a key upgrade or a case for his car. So I was just wondering if maybe there'd be something similar for the E-Series cars. I think maybe Comfort Access was just rare on these cars, and therefore they didn't bother making too many solutions, especially like on a 3 Series, which is more common. But the F-Series cars, pretty much all of them have Comfort Access from what I can tell. So I have an 08 335i E90 that has Comfort Access, and I figured, you know what, there's some of you out there that would appreciate this video. So hopefully you guys found this somewhat entertaining. If this is the first video you're catching of mine, consider subscribing. I upload regularly, and I of course go into way more in-depth content than this. This is just kind of my filler content, to be honest with you, but it's still, in my opinion, video worthy. If you're interested in purchasing one of these cases, I'll put a link in the description where you can buy one of these. It'll be an affiliate link. I got it on Amazon. It was about $20. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Wow.